Hello, this is Chris Rushnaut, 24K on Twitter. Today I'll be unboxing the Skross adapter, and this is a USB Type-C and USB Type-A. It provides up to 5.4 amps, fast charging. I've used Skross or Skross products before around the world, and they're very handy. So this is the US model. They have other ones for European as well. Flip out wall charger, we like that very much. And then you have the USB Type-A and USB Type-C port. This offers an output for the USB Type-A, 2.4 amps. You can charge a tablet with that. And for the USB Type-C port, 5 volts, 3 amp. This is not power delivery, but it does a 3 amp output here on the USB Type-C port. So we like this from Skross or Skross. They have, like I said, different models for different countries. And this is a nice, small, compact wall charger for traveling. Thank you.